I spent most of the day here in Rolle, sleeping in my cabin and I guess recuperating. I must have been tired. And 5 o'clock now in the evening, so decided to make my way down the coast, closer to my brother's house, see if I make it to Plongeon or Nyon. Let's see, it's not that far. Looks like more rain coming over there in France. Here we're gonna drive by some of the expensive houses along the lake. One of them belongs to the famous race car driver Michael Schumacher.
Since it rained most of the day in Rolle, I stayed in my cabin and read and wrote about this tour of Lac Léman. We had spectacular weather so far, so it was only just that the weather deal me a rain card. I motored into the marina in Nyon and met my brother for a beer and bar food at the local English pub.
Here with my Italian cousin, who's unfortunately called Apache.
Buongiorno, buonasera. Si mangi bene qui da casa.